लोगों के खिलाफ हिंसा की निंदा पर प्रख्यात हस्तियों का खुला पत्र। लगभग 3 दर्जन प्रतिष्ठित हस्तियों ने कर्नाटक के मुख्यमंत्री बसवराज बोम्मई को एक राज्य में हो रही धार्मिक अल्पसंख्यकों के खिलाफ एक संयुक्त खुला पत्र लिखकर हो रहे लगातार हिंसा पर अपनी चिंता व्यक्त की। राज्य के 34 प्रतिष्ठित हस्तियों ने हस्तक्षेप किया। तभी इस विवाद पर कर्नाटक के मुख्यमंत्री बसवराज बोम्मई ने कहा कि
as far as Karnataka is concerned, all the rights of minorities and others which are enshrined in the constituency are protected to the hilt, and if there is any excess anywhere, immediate action has been taken. Therefore, and we will protect the minority rights, and we will protect not only minority rights, other vulnerable sections, people in the society will be protected. Not only protected, they will be supported. In fact, we are coming out with lot of programs where their livelihood and enhancing their livelihood, and they should contribute to nation building. Therefore, we are going to really empower them. I believe in 3 E's: education, employment and empowerment of these sections, and we are really committed to that.
So they have said.
और फिर कर्नाटक के केपीसीसी अध्यक्ष डी.के. शिव कुमार ने भी इस पे टिप्पणी करते हुए कहा कि
This is what from the day one I have been telling. Various MLAs, ministers, including the central minister of the BJP, then the parliament member also, were just giving very unfair remarks on the minorities. Mr. Yediyurappa never filed any cases against them. Even the police also supported them. It is the police department, even that point of time also did not take so much action on this. After we appealed to them, we requested them, we urged them to take action. Now a very serious issues have been starting. The minorities in Karnataka are in fear, and even the downtrodden also are in a big fear. So I think non-politically all of them have joined together and requested the Chief Minister that we see. You saw what happened in Hubli, what happened to the other place of the district. Only even on this COVID times also, only they identified few of them and filed the cases. The police has gone out of the control. Police is acting according to the political wishes of the